Hello, everyone. My name is Kaylee. I am one of the PCAs for the University of Central Florida, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you some tools and tips I have for students regarding the mastering program that you are utilizing. So we're going to go ahead and start off on that course homepage. That way you can see where to go from there. I will be doing a little bit of hopping around so that you can see what I'm talking about, but for now, we're just going to start off on our course page here. This is Course Home is really great for students. It shows the assignments that are past due, are upcoming. That way you can stay on track. There's that little calendar down there as well. Starting over on the left side here, we do have our Pearson study area. We go ahead and launch that. We have a lot of resources for our students here. So you can find the e-text. You can click study by chapter and it'll provide you with um, overviews and outcomes for the chapter. If you are someone who maybe wants to create a study guide for the end of the semester, taking these learning outcomes and converting them to questions and filling them out that way is a great way to ensure you understand the chapter in its entirety. There's some exam prep and practice problems for students as well. So if you need a little bit of extra help, these videos are great for that. Going back home, we also have some key concept videos for students as well as interactive worked examples. So if you are finding that you need just a little bit of extra help, you can always utilize these. So if we were to just take a look at one, we're not going to really go through it much, but we can kind of see how do you report the correct number of digits. This does have closed captioning as well. So you're able to see how that does work. They're just little videos. This one's about 2 minutes long. Nice little reviews for before your exams. Um, Coming back to our mastering course home here, we do have our dynamic study modules as well. I'm going to go ahead and pull those up, but I do have to stop sharing my screen so that I can pull it up um, on a separate window because it does pop up in a separate window. So let me go ahead and get that loaded. Here you will find your dynamic study modules. These are extra practice problems for students. They're really great at ensuring students sort of get the hang of the different chapters. So if we were gonna just go ahead and click into this first one here, let's do this one instead. I've already started that one. Let's do this one. Begin learning. It's going to provide you with questions. And give it a second, let it load. So when you're going through the questions, you read it, you do the math, and you go, okay, I think it's this answer. And I'm sure it's this answer. So you double click, you hit submit. I was sure and incorrect. So I get a little red bar over here. So I hit the next question and I go, I'm not quite sure what this is. I think it might be this one. So I'm going to click it once and I'm going to say I'm unsure. I was unsure and incorrect, but instead of that red bar, there's a little green bar. Shows that you were cognizant, that you're not quite sure of what is happening. If I was going to go to the next question and just go, I don't know yet, and hit submit, it'll just move on to your next question. Once you go through a few of these, I was unsure and incorrect on that one. Look at me. And you continue through. After a few questions, you will get what is called the Learn tab. So if you hit that, it'll go through the questions that you were incorrect about, give you the correct answer, and give you some practice videos and some descriptions of how to complete the problem. That way you can understand better what you got wrong, how to complete it better. These are included for all of your chapters here. It lets you know the progress, starting knowledges, refreshers taken, and it's a great way to review before your exams or go over some topics maybe you're having a bit of trouble with. So definitely suggest checking those out. I'm going to go ahead and stop my share one more time and go back to that original course home we were at so we can take a look one more time, see if there's anything else that we can help and find useful. Yeah, of course, once again, you can find your e-text right here. if you need it. But other than that, I think that is all for this time. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your semester. Good luck. And I hope that these study materials can help you.